Hey everybody, it's Hyacinth here from Earth Medicine Healing, and I'm going to make a really quick video to show you how to make nettle tea and nettle infusion. And I posted yesterday about the health benefits of nettle, how good it is for nourishing the body, building the blood, and helping our immune system stay strong. And I got a lot of posts about how do you make nettle tea, what do I do, where do I start? So I thought I would jump on and make a quick video. So here we go. All you need is boiling hot water, a quart-sized mason jar, a cup measure, and some dried nettle herbs. So I like to get mine from Mountain Rose Herbs. They're a very good company and they sell really good quality dried nettle in bulk. Buying in bulk really saves money, so that's a really good way to start working with herbs, is buy them in bulk. You can also find them out in the wild as well, so that's really good. But you have to make sure you know what you're doing and that there's no pesticides or anything been sprayed on your plants before you ingest them. So you just measure out about 1 cup. You can actually go up to 2 cups for a medicinal dose, but this is actually a very good start. So you want to put them into your quart-sized jar, the loose herbs. And you're not going to drink this all at once. This is something that you will drink over the course of a few days. You want to be able to have like a cup a day, so that way you get a steady infusion of nettle into your body, because herbs actually work best over time. So you want to make sure that it's quick and easy for you just to be able to pour another cup. So then you fill your quart-sized jar, or if it's bigger than that, you just want to make sure that it's 32 ounces. That's about there. And then I like to give it a quick stir, just to make sure that all the dried herbs are covered with water. Just get them all in there. Okay. And then you want to put your lid on. You want to make sure that it's covered. There you go. And that's it. So simple, so easy. So you want to leave this on your counter for about 4 hours or minimum, or overnight, and let it really infuse, allow the water to draw out all of the nutritional properties and benefits of the nettle. And then the next day or after 4 hours, you can then strain it off into another jar, another quart-sized jar, so that you separate the herbs from the water, and you have a really, really delicious tea. You can also use this pot here that does the straining for you. So you put the herbs just in the strainer pot here, and then you pour the water through so that it infuses, and then it will fill up, and then you just let this sit on your counter. That way you don't have to strain it, you can just pour it right into your cup. So there we have it, super simple nettle infusion, a great way to nourish your body and energize your body and give yourself a lot of health. So you take a cup every day. This is about 4 days worth. You want to make sure that it stays in the fridge so that it doesn't go bad. And that's it. It's a great way to get natural herbs into your system. So give it a try, and on my post, let me know how it went for you. Bye.